Unit 201, Stapley Place. Got the old tile in it. That's something I would recommend putting vinyl over. Kitchen has the stainless appliances, which look nice. Definitely an upgrade. Countertops I would recommend replacing. You get the bar top that doesn't match the countertop, and you have some serious chipping going on in the countertop. I would put an 8-inch deep sink in here. It just makes it a lot nicer. I've noticed some of these outlets don't fit right, or the switches are kind of set back in from the cover. That should be addressed. Cabinets have been painted. I would recommend a new kitchen light, something more modern. Looks like we got good blinds. And then we got the hall bathroom. We got this angled vanity. My recommendation would be to replace it along with this mirror that's losing its finish. Upgrading the lights. This one has an elongated 17-inch tall toilet, which is good for modern use. This one, the tub spout finish doesn't match the faucet trim. I would recommend changing that so it all matches. And then you got the bedroom. This must be the master bedroom. Again, we have popcorn ceilings throughout. We have a little closet here behind the door. And then you have the larger linen closet. Got nice blinds. Looking at the ceiling, it either needs to be painted, or it's nice to have the popcorn removed if it's affordable, or just repaint it. This bathroom vanity is in pretty rough shape. You can see it looks like somebody made that piece of wood not very well to fit there. Cabinet doors aren't closing properly. Again, I would recommend the upgraded lighting. This bathroom also has a new modern toilet. Tub and shower looks resurfaced. However, there's a large gap between the spout and the wall where water can go back into the wall. That I would definitely fix before I have anybody move in. I'd also recommend putting in some more modern closet doors. And then you have the other bedroom. Decent blinds. The older style closet doors. And then again, the ceiling needs to be either scraped or repainted.